Abashaho b'amatungo aba district yona bahirwe liters 10 ez'emibazi y'amatungo kandi bashabira okugisa mu barisa okureba ngo amatungo gabo gajemwa.
Government etwire liters 10 zetukuzokugaba bwenu twagezaho okugaba mu magomborora mukaga na town councils ibiri akatown councils ibiri tunezo mbya zona mbazi twagaba baza ku tandika kukosa
ni buri muri session ingano ba
twatorana mu abarisa abashaho bagenzere mu field batoranamo abarisa abari hihina n'ekisharra ninga hihina national park ninga abandi abari hihi na nebishaka.
Please kindly give these herbicides to the right beneficiaries.
Endwara nkakoto, chipumpuru, mpunjira, eshohera, engwa n'izindi nibishaka kuteganisa abarisa muri yankore kato corridor.
That's why I was asking the vaccine for when are we benefiting, when are we getting it, or when is it being productive or being actually in big numbers. So I wish the government can do it as soon as possible. Exactly.
How are you using it? Is it okay? If there is any challenge, they report back. Because you also have to report back to the what?
Yeah.
The ministry. But we promise that we know after like 3 months we shall have got your report on the what and give it to you.
Ezitankwa no mainly tufa kugundi enswera enzo etachipumpuli munteza fe oba mbuziza.
Ababaji babiri Moses Asimwe na Adam Mukasa bakwasirwa bwo kubaga amatungo batabandize kugakebera okumanya yaba gatine kabikona ahamagara gabantu gasha kwa Sandeke William.